Today we're upgrading my Tesla Model 3 with these HaloBLK alloy foot pedals. Not only do these look way cooler than the stock ones, but they give a better grip and a larger surface area. So let's go ahead and install them and see the difference. Here are the factory pedals. Pretty basic, pretty boring. And let's be real, the rubber surface is thin. And the one on the accelerator pedal, it's not even like a cover. So it makes them more slippery, especially on rainy days. And it's a problem because you got all that torque. Now check these out. 70% larger than the standard pedals, 30% larger than the performance ones, and covered in anti-slip rubber. Thick rubber. That means better control, less slipping, and I think a way cleaner look. Let me know what you think in the comments below. They have multiple different looks on their website. You can check them out whether you want something on it or you want something plain. But let's say you got these, and the link in the description below, I have a discount code. Let's install these. Installing them is super easy. No tools, no stress. All you're gonna want to do is remove anything old you have on there, slip these on, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Boom, yeah, done. Okay, these feel awesome. The grip is solid, the surface area bigger, and they just make the interior pop with that silver. I know, super blurry, that's my bad, y'all. So if we come into here, you see these little tabs right here, these little rubber tabs. There's one on this side, one on that side, as you know. You just pull them apart and then put it on the bottom and just slowly slip it up. There's rubber on the bottom, rubber on the top, and it should basically just encase the whole pedal. And that's held on there super firm. This one is a bit more tricky, y'all, because there's rubber all around it. There's a flap on this side, right here. There's a flap on the other side, and there's two on the top. So you gotta pull this one side, get it stuck in here, and then push it this way, get this one over, this one over, this one over. There's no flaps on the bottom, but there's a lot of rubber down here that you're gonna wanna get over. But once you get it all on, it installed no problem, and it took less than 10 minutes total. This is kind of what it looks like from the back. I'm not sure if anyone can see anything, but maybe it'll be useful to someone. Yeah. Whether you're getting the toy switch design, the region braking look, or the minimalistic nothing design, HaloBLK has an option for you. And if you want a quick, easy mod that improves your drive and your interior, I think these HaloBLK alloy foot pedals are for you. Let me know what you think in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more Tesla upgrades, because we got a bunch more simple ones, but also some really out there ones coming your way.